today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No primer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayyo!
You have to complete it now.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और वहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, and this seems very different, and this seems a very different side of Shekhar as well. तो क्या था वो जिसके वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, तमिल में सुना. तो हिंदी मीडिया में like what we don't understand anything. So okay, वाह உங்களுக்கு. Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part. It's all good.
Okay, why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay, wow. Basically, I wanted to work opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him, he enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think धनुष सर के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो वर्सेटैलिटी का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way, and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. Hai sir?
Because we have limited time with Sir, who actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on stage. As we know, we don't have, by the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा वो आज शाम को YouTube पे रिलीज होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we have from Aditya Music, Aditya with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? 2 बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs, you have male perspective on songs, but this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa!
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100% with those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You have to.
May I?
Now I'm going to stop.
No, stay with us. Yes, Aditya ji, please join us on stage. Thank you for Aditya Music for having the music beautiful by DSP. Music बहुत बढ़िया है, guys. Make some noise. That is. ये जब हम लोग इतने बड़े स्टार में एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो अलग फीलिंग आती है. मैं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट द माइक टू बी गिवन टू धनुष सर सिंस
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good afternoon everybody. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்கா இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்றதே தெரியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English. Little bit that too.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko हाँ बोलने के लिए to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar.
Very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके character के बारे में a little bit, because we can never get to know how do you do it.
See, I'm just like a processor, you know, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers I've worked with.
Thank you. That's humility for you, Dhanush. आप राजा के दिलों के आपने break लिया है आपके shoot से. Thank you so much for joining us for Kubera. We believe we have to let you go, I know. So here's your audience giving some love as he says goodbye to us. Come on everyone, Kubera.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20 படம் பாருங்க, கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும் நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you all. Love you.
Sir, thank you. As he says, oh, can we have a picture with the team? Yes, Dhanush sir, one quick picture with the cast. Quick picture with the cast. Everybody, yeah? Everybody, I would like you all to huddle up as we want the picture with the cast. And we'd like a solo once we're done for Dhanush sir. I think
I have to run. I come from work and I have to run back to work. Thank you so much. जल्दी मिलेंगे.
that goodness is what sets him apart. I want to come to the audience, sir, but in just a bit. But is it a state of mind? Because I saw you, sir. I have not seen many superstars of your stature to be in the moment and enjoy something so heartfully. It was beautiful to see that smile when we were watching Rashmika's song. Can we clap to that childlike quality जो हम सब पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं? Yes. Do you have a tip for us, sir? Everybody, you know, these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody be what they want and they'll be fine.
How lovely. Rashmika, can we have you take that mic
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell बड़े हो खुद भी बहुत नंबर उन्होंने कहा है कि इन साल में जो आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी रही है शायद इनकी भी नहीं रही है तो for being part of Kubera the high point for you as an actor क्या था?
High point for me as an actor. Being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye opener, you know, this film in a way.